Superior Essex has collected a bounty of frequently asked questions to help solve some of your challenges or serve as a great knowledge resource. To access our FAQs, select Resources, then FAQs. The FAQs are defined by category, such as OSP Central Office Cable, OSP Copper Cable, OSP Fiber Cable, Premises Copper Cable, Premises Fiber Cable, and Premises Fire Alarm and Security Control Cable. If you have questions such as, is Cat5 still recognized by TIA/EIA? What is plenum, or what is a riser? Chances are you'll find it in the FAQs. Not sure which category to select? Go to our main search bar. You can search the entire site, so even if you have a question about patent cables, it's probably been asked. See? Here you go. What are the consequences of painting over indoor copper Cat5e or Cat6 cables? So try searching our FAQ library today for quick, easy answers, or search our entire site from the search bar at the top of any page. Happy searching, and thank you for watching.